How to change your name on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then click on the box that says edit profile under the profile picture. And here you will find the section that says about you. So click on the name option, and here you will be able to change your name to whatever name you want. And once you're done, click on the save button at the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the name of your TikTok account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.